Google Pixel 7 Pro this year is a best while it is rocking the same main camera lens as the Pixel 6 Pro. It has entirely new ultra-wide-angle lens that now has macro mode, a very balanced 5x telephoto, zoom that also double as super resolution zoom, and brand new 10.8 megapixel front camera, finally bringing 4K 60 frames per second video on all lenses. Everything that Google missed out on last year is added. There's even a cinematic blur on this phone. So this year they're bringing everything to the table, and Samsung does have a very well-aged 108 megapixel sensor. And it still has the best zoom camera setup on the market, but it seems like Google is catching up. Google is now packing almost all the camera features that Samsung would offer, plus a proper astrophotography mode, which is better than any other phone camera out there. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a 6.8-inch behemoth that copied the old Galaxy Note design of years past, complete with S Pen support. The sheer size alone makes it hard to use one-handed, but our reviewer disliked its boxier design compared to the S21 Ultra, with 90-degree angle foam corners and protruding cameras that makes the phone wobble on a desk and attract dust. The 6.7-inch Pixel 7 Pro meanwhile has Google's distinctive horizontal camera bar that makes the phone perfectly balanced on a desk. The phone is the exact same thickness as the S22 Ultra, but the camera bump is distinctly thicker on the other hand. The actual part you hold is slightly more comfortable, since it's slightly narrower with more natural curved edges, but it's still a large phone that benefits two hands. And it lacks the perk of an S Pen if that matters to you. Both phones are having a Quad HD high-range display with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate. And the big difference here is that the brightness of Samsung is a lot more than the Pixel 7 Pro. So it's rocking a 1700 nits peak brightness compared to 1200 on the Pixel 7 Pro, which is almost like a upper mid-range level brightness. In terms of direct sunlight view, the S22 Ultra is definitely going to have better visibility. Both phones also benefit from IP68 watch protection, Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and black glass, and stereo audio speakers. Technically, the Galaxy S22 Ultra has Victus Plus protection, but Gorilla has never explained what the difference in quality. The Pixel 7 Pro has a face unlock option now, but Google says that this is only for unlocking the phone. It's still not safe to use for banking and payment apps, as it's not a 3D scanner like the one on the iPhones. The Pixel 7 Pro will save you a few $100s and give you comparable display quality and photography, better battery life, and decently sufficient performance compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.